Hey guys, today we are making turmeric face mask. We need turmeric. Got this container for 500 naira. We need coconut oil. Got this for 900 naira. We need tea tree oil. Got this for 3000 naira. And we also need original natural honey for our face mask. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using a tablespoonful of turmeric. Level that down, but later realized this was way too much even for my big face. But put that in a nice clean bowl. So next we'll add coconut oil. Take about this amount of coconut oil, not up to a tablespoonful, but greater than a teaspoon of coconut oil. Add it to the mixture. Up next is my favorite, tea tree oil. This is absolute aroma tea tree oil, and we will be adding about 9 drops of tea tree oil to the mixture. Yeah. Next we're adding natural pure original honey, and I'm going to take about this amount, not up to a tablespoonful again, but greater than a teaspoon of honey. Yes. Next we will add some water. Now shake it up, 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 shake it up. You can add more water because we are trying to get a paste like or a paste consistency. Basically, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. You can go ahead and apply this on your face and wait for about 30 minutes before you wash it off and clean your face with the toner, because turmeric leaves a yellow residue on your skin. So I just washed my face with soap and water, and I need to use this cleanser to clear off the yellow residue left by the turmeric. So this is my face after cleansing and moisturizing. Thank you for watching. Bye.